Good morning, children. Today's lessons reference video. Lesson name is there. Mangoes around the year. Around the year. This is the lesson, and this lesson's reference videos subtopic is there. Summer treat. Mamidi Tundra. Summer treat. Mamidi Tundra. Here, children. Chitta Babu and Chinna Babu. They are living in Atrapuram. Village in Andhra Pradesh. Then these two children they used to spend their summer holidays in the mango tree garden. There they are spending their time and enjoying. Garden was full of mango trees. Then both they were enjoying there in that garden. And mother used to prepare pickle. That pickle through the next year it should come. That much she used to prepare. Then some of other items of mangoes she used to prepare. Then one of the children, one of the brother of this Chitta Babu and Chinna Babu, one of them, they asked to mother why we should not prepare Aam Papad, means Mamidi Tandra. Then father said, making this Mamidi Tandra needs 4 weeks hard work. If both of you help us every day, we can do it. Father said. Then yes, these two children also they are ready to help. Then with this discussion, after that they went to the market and needy things they purchased. Those needy things are there. Poles of Casrina tree. Poles they purchased Casrina tree's pole. Then leaves of palm tree. Uh, Mat woven from the leaves of palm tree. Then string made of coconut husk. So these are the things they were purchased. Jaggery and sugar also they purchased. Then the production it is work it is started. Amma found a sunny place where sunlight it falls directly on the ground in the garden place. She was searched. There she chosen the place and she is making everything arrangement there. These two brothers they went and they were tucked that two poles and made it high platform. Over that they were kept that mats. Then next day Appa was chosen most ripe mangoes. They took out mango pulp into the large pot. Means in large pot, what all the pulp it was that they were kept into in that, and they were collected. Plump through the muslin cloth. Means there was a plump, they were kept into the muslin cloth and they were strained. Means they were crushed that. The mangoes, what all that juice it is there, it's they were taking from that. Then Chitta Babu was crushed the jaggery. There were no lumps. Means in that liquid way he was crushed that. Added jaggery and sugar in equal amount. Then let us see. Then to the plump they were added sugar and jaggery. Chinna Babu mixed jaggery sugar well with a big spoon. He was mixed with all that plump and juice and all. Amma was spreaded this plump over that high platform with uh, that she left there till the evening. Evening they were covered clean sari because dust it should not fall on them. That's what on that. That's what they were covered with the clean sari. Then next day morning again took some mango pulp. They were added jaggery sugar into the pulp and spreaded pulp over the previous day's layer. Previous day's layer it was there no over that only again they were same how they were done yesterday like that they were done and they were spreaded over that yesterday's layer thin layer. Then this both brothers they were done. They didn't take the help of their parents because already they come to know how to prepare. With that idea only they were prepared and they were spreaded over that thin layer and it was became thick layer. Till that much they were spreaded over that. Then they hoped that rain should not be rain for 4 weeks. Then they were uh, added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like golden cake. They were added a layer over the layer, then it should look jelly, and 4 centimeters grew. Jelly grew 4 centimeters. What are the jelly? It was there. Jelly it was grew 4 centimeters, and 4 centimeters thick, and look like a golden cake. After some day, Amma said that it is ready to have that, and they were memory tandra is ready to have, and they were started to cut in small pieces, and Chinna Babu had uh, tasted that one. He said, "Oh, how tasty! After all, we have also helped in making it." Anyway, they were prepared Mamidi Tantra and they had it. Then, right, why was sugar and jaggery? Why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? Because it is going to give a proper taste. That's the reason. Why did Appa first choose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making them Mamidi Tandra? Because ripe mangoes are it is a proper one to make this Mamidi Tandra. How did brothers make the Mamdi Tantram? Write down step by step they did for this. First of all, the needy things they purchased from the market, and the first day they were absorbed from their parents, and even they were helped for them. And they were chosen the sunny place, and with that 4 poles, they were made a high platform. Over that, they were crushed that mangoes into the pot. uh, they were filled with the plump. Then plump afterwards, they were added for that jaggery and sugar, and that one they were spreaded over that high platform in a thin layer. Then after that they were covered with clean sari over that. Then next time these two brothers the same work they come to know that how to prepare. With that same work they were uh, uh, kept over that thin layer. Again they were again they were that plump they were poured over that thin layer till to become jelly 4 meters thick. That much they were made it. Then it looks like a golden cake. Then afterwards, after 4 weeks mother said it is ready to have. Then they were divided into small pieces, and Chinna Babu was tasted. Then he was expressed, oh, it is very tasty to have. Then everybody they were enjoyed, and they were had it that food. Then next, what things are made in your house from ripe and unripened mangoes? Ripe mangoes, we should have it like that only. Unripened mangoes with that pickle and mango flavored rice we used to prepare in our home. Make a list of all the different types of pickles that you know about, and share with your friends. Mango pickle, lemon pickle, tomato pickle. These are the pickles we are going to prepare in our home. Find out and discuss. Is there any kind of pickle and in your house? Yes, in our house, lemon pickle is there. What kind of pickle is it? Lemon. Who makes it? My sister. From whom did they learn to make the pickle? From our elders she learned. What all the things are needed to make any one type of pickle in your house? For that maintain, and sugar, jaggery, then salt, chili, then these with that spicy food, spicy items are it is added for that. How is pickle made? Oh, I told find out the recipe and write. Okay. Then how are these things made in your house? Papad, chutney, badiyan, and sauce. It is prepared by my sister. It is 2 day journey by train from Pune to Calcutta. If you were to go on this trip, what food items would you carry with you? How would you pack them? Make a list on the blackboard of all the packet food. What food would you eat first? I will for choose that snacks, biscuits, cheese, and I will purchase bread there itself only if available. So with this I can manage. With that some few items I will take with to the trip. Then what we have learned, glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them in pickles, filling them with pickles. Why is this done? Because a single drop of water it is there, it's going to be so spoiled. That's what they are going to be dry in sun. Do you remember what happened to the bread in the experiment? The same thing it was happened with that experiment. They were spreaded, sprinkled water over that, and they were put into that tiffin box. After that 3 to 4 days, it is spoiled. Fungus it is came on that, that is green color, or else it is ash color it will come. To eat mangoes round the year we make different items like pickle, papad, chutney, chikki, etc. List some other food with which we make different things so that we can enjoy it throughout the year. These pickle, papad, chutney, chikki, with this in our home they used to prepare mango flavored rice. So these are the things item, these are the items which are it is going to prepare in our home. Okay children, bye, take care yourself.